Hi, thanks for joining me today. My name is Chuck Tuck, and today we are going to take a look at using the M11-8M document camera and also using the Sphere2 and the Avertouch software. What we're going to do is take a look at how to get the largest viewing area possible. Now keep in mind, if you're using the Sphere2 software, you will notice that the area is going to be slightly smaller than if you're using the Avertouch software. So in all instances, it may be the best for you to use the Avertouch. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started now. You'll notice that I have my M11 document camera in the corner of my desk. The reason I have it this way, it's much easier for me to reach at this angle and write rather than having it at a vertical. Then I have to kind of turn my arm this way. So let's go ahead and open up the document camera. And also what I have done is I have taped down an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, so I know pretty much exactly where I need to lay down my worksheet or my book so it will be centered. Now the biggest thing about this is we have our 180-degree rotating head right here. Make sure the arm is raised up as high as it can go. Then you're going to want to rotate this head at this angle that you see right here. This is going to allow you to get a larger viewing angle when using both the Avertouch and the AVer Sphere2 software. Now you will notice on the document camera there's going to be a control panel, and on the control panel there's going to be a rotating button. However, you will not be using that rotating button. Let me show you why. So here we have the sheet of paper, and if I was to write, it's of course sideways. Now if I was to use the rotating button on the camera, all it does is flip it 180 degrees. This is the reason why we will be using the Avertouch or the AVer Sphere2 software. Now that we have launched Sphere2, this is what it will look like. So once again, if I was to write, it is not at the correct angle. So what we want to do is come down to the icon to the bottom far left, select that, and go to the rotate button. Now when we rotate it, you notice we get the long end. So now we can begin to write and it will be correct for us. So let me lay down a worksheet. There you go. And now you see that you have the largest viewing area possible, so you can almost fit an entire 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper down, and makes everything much easier to work with. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how the Avertouch software will look. Now that we've launched the Avertouch software, let's go ahead and connect this to the M11-8M document camera. This is the viewing area, and this is what we have. Let me open up our workbook. Now once again, it is facing the wrong way. So you want to make sure you come down to the bottom row of icons, go to the far right, and click on the rotate. Now you see that you have the full sheet of 8.5 by 11. In fact, you have more headroom right here. This is one of the biggest reasons why you will want to or may want to use the Avertouch software. It will allow you to have a larger viewing area. So now you have everything at the right viewing angle. So there you have it. Hopefully you are able to follow along and understand how to get the largest viewing area possible using the AVer M11-8M document camera. Once again, you do have the choice of using your Sphere2 software or the Avertouch. Remember, Avertouch is going to give you a slightly larger viewing area. Thanks for watching.